Welcome to the adventures of Spoonie and Bubbles. Today's story is called Spoonie Paints a New Color. In a bright little art corner, Spoonie and Bubbles were resting near a small table. Paint jars, brushes, and paper were neatly arranged. Spoonie looked excited. "Today, I'm gonna paint a big green tree," Spoonie said. Bubbles smiled. "I love trees." Spoonie picked up paint jars. Red, blue, yellow. Spoonie looked again. Spoonie whispered. "There is no green." Bubbles blinked. "Oh no! What will we do?" Spoonie looked at the empty paper. "I really want a green tree," Spoonie said softly. "But the green paint is missing." Bubbles rolled closer. "Maybe the painting can wait," Bubbles said. Spoonie sighed. Suddenly, Spoonie's eyes lit up. "Wait," Spoonie said. "I remember something." Bubbles tilted. "What is it?" Spoonie smiled. "Colors can mix." Spoonie poured a little blue paint into a small cup, then a little yellow paint. Drip, drop. Bubbles watched carefully. "Do you think it will work?" Bubbles asked. Spoonie stirred the paint slowly. Swirl, swirl. The color began to change. "Look," Bubbles said. "It's turning green," Spoonie cheered softly. Spoonie smiled big. "I made green," Spoonie said happily. Bubbles bounced. "That's amazing. You made your own color." Spoonie dipped the brush into the new green paint. Swipe, swipe. A tall green tree appeared on the paper. Bubbles watched quietly. "It's beautiful," Bubbles whispered. Spoonie added a yellow sun and a blue sky. The painting was complete. Spoonie looked at it and smiled. "I didn't need green paint after all," Spoonie said. Bubbles rolled closer. "You didn't give up," Bubbles said. Spoonie nodded. "Sometimes when something is missing, we can make something new." They sat quietly looking at the painting, happy, proud, together. And that was the day Spoonie painted a new color.